3 things that will get you called in front of the traffic commissioner. Miss these, and your operator license is at risk. I've seen transport managers lose their careers over mistakes that could have been fixed in an afternoon. Here's what they missed. First one, maintenance records that don't make sense. The traffic commissioner doesn't expect perfection. They expect honesty. But if your PMI records show a vehicle was inspected every 6 weeks, and your defect reports show the same vehicle had the same brake imbalance for 4 months, that's a problem. Show me a screenshot of a PMI sheet. Point to the empty boxes. When the dates don't line up. When brake test results are missing. When there's no record of who did the inspection. The traffic commissioner sees that as one thing, a lack of control. And lack of control equals public inquiry. Second one, driver hours. Most operators think they're safe if their drivers don't have infringements. That's not enough anymore. Show a tachograph report on screen. The traffic commissioner is looking for patterns. Is the same driver taking a reduced rest every single week? Is the same driver always driving right up to 4.5 hours with no buffer? Is the same driver always the one who forgets to record other work? One driver with repeated minor issues isn't a coincidence. It's a pattern. And the traffic commissioner will ask you, what did you do about it? If your answer is nothing, they'll assume you don't have control. Third one, third-party maintenance. This is the one that catches most operators out. Show a garage invoice on screen. You send your truck to an external garage for a PMI. They say it's safe. 3 weeks later, DVSA stops it and finds a dangerous defect. The traffic commissioner won't ask the garage why they missed it. They'll ask you, because your operator license, your responsibility. I've seen operators say, but the garage said it was fine. The traffic commissioner doesn't accept that as an excuse. You need evidence that you audited that garage, checked their calibration certificates, reviewed their work. If you can't prove that, they will assume you have no control. So here's what you do. 1. Audit your maintenance providers. Get their calibration certs. Check their work. Document it. 2. Review your driver hours every week. Look for patterns, not just infringements. 3. Keep 15 months of records. Not because you have to, because when the traffic commissioner asks, you need to be able to hand it over immediately. The operators who survive public inquiries aren't the ones who never make mistakes. They're the ones who can prove they have systems to catch and fix mistakes. If you want to go deeper on this, I've linked a full guide to public inquiry preparation in the description. Also, we're running Transport Conference 2026 on September 23rd in Birmingham with the Traffic Commissioner and DVSA speaking. Link in description if you're interested. Subscribe if you want more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.